Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. So let's dive into the updates. So please watch the full video. The first update is about Captain Nick. If you don't know about Captain Nick, she is having around 1.7 million subscribers in YouTube. So she posted in her Instagram stories that she had a TED talk in Delhi. Regarding that, she said, "Coming to Delhi, butterflies in Mahmood size in stomach because your girl is going to give a TED talk tomorrow." And then after giving the talk, she appreciated, "You guys were amazing" at the rate of TEDxCVS. To know about her, link is in the description. The next update is about Raftaar. Raftaar is united with Ankit Singh Patiala, also known as Ikka, after 10 years with the video song Angar. Raftaar and Ikka are the pretty famous rappers in India. This song is doing great and the famous PUBG gamers Scout and Mortal names were mentioned in the song. If you want to watch this video, link is in the description. The next update is about Mostly Sane. She is a YouTuber having nearly 6 million subscribers, posted in Instagram stories that saying, "Never ran out of a drama on set, watch the show." It basically, she is talking about series in Netflix named Mismatched that she acted in it and she felt excited to be in there. To know more about her, link is in the description. The next update is about Ashish Chanchalani. Ashish Chanchalani posted in his community tab regarding the real life Among Us played by his crew members. Said, "My entire ACV team play real life Among Us. After seeing this video, mera man kiya kash main bhi wahan hota. This is so hilarious and fun. Fans of game and team, do watch it, maza aa jayega." If you want to watch the video, link is in the description. The next update is about Triggered Insan. Triggered Insan reacted regarding super chat that was posted in Live Insan Gaming channel saying, "Alright guys, from today onwards I will not be enabling super chat ever. So you people keep your money with yourself and please don't donate me. Just watch my videos, that's enough for me." And said, "Rather giving to me, you can donate to the upcoming streamers." Said in a polite way. If you want to watch the video, link is in the description. The next update is about Total Gaming. Total Gaming completed 16 million subscribers. Congrats to him. And let's talk about some international updates. The first one is about Charli D'Amelio. She's an YouTuber having 8.5 million subscribers and the most followed TikToker in the world, which is 99 million followers. Then in a family dinner with friend James Charles, she commented her TikTok followers as a numbers in a video posted in the D'Amelio family channel. Then after that, her TikTok followers were decreased by 1 million. Reacting to that, then she realized and gave an explanation about it, that her intention was not to hurt her followers, and finally her followers understood her. So regarding that, she posted some pics in her Twitter. If you want to watch the video, link is in the description. The next update is about James Charles. She is an YouTuber having 24 million plus subscribers and she do makeup, entertainment and music. She reacted to the D'Amelio incident and tweeted in the Twitter saying, "This Charli situation is not sitting right with me. 100 million followers in 1 year. You all expect her to know how to be perfect role model. Death threats because she is a pick eater," and had a joke about milestone. 30 years plus old ranking someone half their age feels familiar. So she basically is talking about Trisha Paytas. Trisha reacted to the tweet replying, "Imagine always being victim in every situation. James, how do you do it? How are you so perfect? No, it's easy to deflect to me now. But imagine James Charles being hated more than Trisha Paytas' view. What a feat. Please stop stealing small creators' art, clothing, emulux." And the war continues. To know about them, the links in the description. The next update is about Logan Paul. Logan Paul is a YouTuber with 22 million subscribers. Responded Austin McBroom's Insta post that Austin said, "There's a whole lot of boxing talking going lately. I have been an athlete my entire life, so it would be disappointing for me to not get involved. Jake Paul been running from me for years. I got $5 million for whoever steps into the ring with me." Then Logan Paul, the brother of Jake Paul, responded in a way saying, "I would take $5 million from you with one arm tied behind my back. You choose the arm." To watch the story, link is in the description. The next update is about Skeppy. He is a YouTuber with recently completed 4 million subscribers and thanked to his subscriber through tweet saying, "I just woke up to 4 million subscribers. Thank you so much." And he also posted a video on YouTube donating $50,000 to Bad Boy Hollow, a fellow YouTuber with same amount of subscribers, nearly for a simple meetup. Then Bad Boy Hollow responded in video and also in Twitter saying, "I guess I have to meet up with Skeppy now." So links are in the description. You can watch it. And the next update is about Mr. Beast. YouTube officially stated that this year 2020 there won't be a YouTube Divine, which was meant to be the celebrations of YouTubers around the world. But regarding that, Mr. Beast responded it to Comic Face saying, "Since YouTube isn't making YouTube Divine this year, I'm going to, and if any other creators want to help, just reply. I'm going to need it." Then Dream responded it to saying, "Put me on coach." To know about it more, links in the description. And let's talk about some milestones. The first one is about Cop's husband. He's a gamer and horror storyteller in YouTube. He responded for completing 5 million subscribers and tweeted saying, "I'm in disbelief. I would know how I got here, but I am endlessly grateful and I will keep trying my absolute best. Please take care of yourself. To know about him, link is in the description. The next one is about Dream. Dream is a YouTuber who deals most of his stuff with Minecraft, and he completed 13 million subscribers and tweeted saying thank you guys so much for 13 million subscribers. To know about him, link is in the description. The next one is about Nico Umlina. He's a UK based YouTuber who created fake McDonald's and gave free food to the people and now completed 3 million subscribers. To know about him, link is in the description. The next one is about Lazarbeam. He's an Australian based YouTuber who do comic reaction videos, has completed 17 million subscribers. To know about him, link is in the description. So that's it for today guys. Stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon. Thank you.